This is really going to talk about how to realize value from the perspective of a board. And there's just kind of 3 basic things to know. And that is AI investment should be aligned, balanced, and catalytic. It's the ABCs of AI investing. What does that mean? Well, in terms of being aligned, your AI investment should be aligned to your AI strategy, which Ben talked about earlier. They should be mapped to the buckets in your roadmap, right? You're going to be doing multiple things at once to move quickly enough. Each investment should map to one of those lines of effort. And they should be supported by your current or your planned data capabilities. If you don't have the data to support the AI solution, then you can't do it, really. They should be balanced. So your AI portfolio should be balanced between incremental and transformational investments. An incremental investment might be something that you're rolling out this quarter or next that has a smaller impact on the business, but allows you to learn by doing, that gets your workforce excited and competent at using AI, and begins to move you towards that direction of AI transformation. Transformational investments, kind of by nature, take longer to materialize, and so should be treated as such. We have found in our work that in some cases, operational budgets support incremental investments, whereas R&D budgets support transformational ones. Lastly, catalytic. So an AI investment does not need to be an AI solution. It doesn't need to be a model or an application. There are many investments that you should make that are catalytic to those solutions. So for instance, people and process-focused investments, workforce transformation, training, can help you get the most out of AI. And in some cases, they're the most resilient investments because as the tech is changing, investing in resilient processes and boosting your workforce can position you to adapt to many different kinds of changes. Similarly, investments in data and compute, as well as other dry powder assets, position you well to move forward into the changing environment because you can deploy compute on many different AI solutions. Data really is the currency of today and tomorrow. So these are things that you can kind of invest in and hold and deploy as needed when it is advantageous for you. And then lastly, flywheel investments. These are things that attract additional resources to help you realize the vision. And a great example of this is a desirable culture for top talent that will thrive in an AI future. So if you can build the culture to attract people who are competent at using AI, who can use it to do things that are different for your business, that can create a flywheel where you continue to attract more people like that to help you realize your AI strategy. The board's role is explained on the right-hand side of the slide. I'm not going to read those verbatim. Instead, I want to call out this key takeaway, which is that realizing value from AI requires getting a lot of things right.